So this is the third time that I'm recording the same thing. We had news on 8:30. This is actually a non-farm payroll week. Liquidity and break of structure. Weekly target here, that is previous week's high. Anticipating price to come here. It did give reaction, but there was news over here 8:30. So waiting until the news hits, it did what it was supposed to do. Consolidation, manipulation. I got a trade here, but this is not my model. Trade hit. Today, non-farm payroll today. News hit here, but this time it was in favor of the draw. Same setup. Here entry. Cannot tell what the market is gonna do. Better not to trade NFP, that is non-farm employment change. If it was an other week, not a non-farm payroll week, it would have done this, where I would or high impact news was on 8:30. It would have done the liquidity hunt and accumulations hunt, but not up to this extent. I cannot tell that what is gonna do. So it did what it was supposed to do. My trade did pan out until just this high, that is low hanging fruit objective. That was done. I can tell that, but this is what I was looking at. Why should I even look at it? Is not fitted. This is something that happened. What it is? A classic 2022 model, FVG model. And don't trade NFP weeks. Even though whatever you have, the system, the model, your trade plan, it will be chaotic during this market. Yeah, I have a delayed data, so yeah, but still working on the daily bias, and this was according to what I'm learning. Trade got hit. And also ICT mentioned that to anticipate the change in state of delivery for our entries in macro minutes, the 20 minutes, 10 minutes before the hour starts and 10 minutes after the hour begins. Like if it is 7 o'clock, so 6:50 and 7:10. So I'm still looking on that. But as you can see, this price is actually near the midnight open of Thursdays. That I did it in the previous video, but I deleted it. Removed the line because the audio was not on. But here you can see that 8:30, right? 8:30 open. The price is below it. And in midnight it comes up to here. It doesn't go below it. It is like here. Yeah, there is a gap. And here NFP, I don't know what it is doing. This is the 15 minute. This is this week's high, that is Thursday reversal. Thursday reversal, classic ICT's weekly profile. And when what is the law of the week? Monday. This is Friday. Monday law of week. And this was actually a good entry according to my bias. Actually, yeah, I forgot to mention. ICT tells that during non-farm payroll weeks, should just trade on Mondays, that too in PM session. So what's why did I get it right here? Yeah, 10 o'clock I got it right. So perfect. Lined up perfectly. Yeah. Next after this happened, that happened. No entry, I didn't get any entry over here. Actually there was entry, but it is not according to my model, so I won't do that. And this is what happens when you are near to non-farm payroll, and even though your model is playing out, just don't risk it. The same goes for here. It could have been a reverse direction here, like what happened here at 8:30. So I don't want to risk in something that I'm not certain of, especially when ICT, he might be knowing it, but I'm not so experienced in the market, so it's better to avoid that. So I'm trying to avoid it. Trading in NFP weeks. And Monday, I guess there was no news. Mm. 9:30. Let me see Monday. Yeah, after 9:30 I traded. I didn't know that Trump is gonna speak, yet I still traded. Yeah, I got an SMT here. First time I'm seeing the SMT here. Let me show you. Yeah. This low went lower than lower. This is yes. No? Yes. That is yes. Everything aligned. Super happy about that. Here, if I had to explain, it is simple. Friday, did a liquidity and gave me a break of structure, return back or retracement. What is this? Liquidity and break of structure, retracement, FVG. What is this? PV, propulsion block or OB? I don't remember. This is an SMT. Why did I wait? Did not trade here. This is New York. Sorry, this is London. So until 7 o'clock no trade. 7 o'clock it. So again I can see here liquidity and break of structure, return back. Low, high, 50%. But I did not want a 50%. I waited for 62. I guess 62 is here, but the low is here. So I waited for 62% retracement. That is OTE. So here I get it. Obvious, good trade. This was actually a low hanging fruit objective. The 99 pip, 99.5 handles. So 3:1 rest over. After that it did go higher. If I had trailed, I saw that if I trail it, I would have stopped out here. Yeah, here. So that was around 200, but I bringing myself back to reality. This is much better for me, and this is way better than losing more money in a high risk environment. This is a reference video for myself in the future. I hope this helps me. Future here. Okay.